Hey everyone, I'm Manikesh Kumar and I'm going to show you a mobile application today which I built using React Native Expo. So let me just give you a quick information what is this app about. It is basically an AI assistant which is built like cross-platform mobile application means it can be used in Android as well as iOS, which is built with like Expo Router and React Native which I already told you. What is this app about? It's like it empowers you to create custom AI agents and chat with them, and even it has a history tab like ChatGPT where you can continue chatting with previous context. For the authentication, I used Clerk, and for the database, I used Firebase for the agent and chat message storing, and for the image, I used Firebase as Firebase did not allow free trial bucket, and it has 4 to 5 tabs like it has login logout tab, it has home screen, it has history management, explore, explore agents, profile page, and it also has dark mode, light mode. So let me just walk you through the app. I'm using Android Studio to show this, and I'm using Pixel 5. And for the emulator, I'm using Expo. So let's open it and let me just show you. It will take a few seconds to open it, and just wait a second. I already tested it out, so as you can see, it has already stored my previous logs, and I've already signed in this application, so it knows me. It like it does not have to ask you to sign in again or sign out. So let's wait a few seconds. It will open it, and this is the home screen for it. As you can see, it is in dark mode currently, and these are all the agents which I have created. Like these are all embedded agents which I have created in the application only. Like it will be with the application, and this is the setting profile tab. This is history, explore, and homepage. Let me just walk you through each of the agents, and also I will show you create agent and all the other features. So let's say you want to write a LinkedIn post. Uh, so let me just give you a demo. So under the hood, I'm using like ChatGPT. I mean OpenAI API key, and as you can see, it generates way too fast. And this is it. You can just copy it, and it will show you a toast message that it has been copied to the clipboard. And these are all the agents like image generator, translation, productivity coach. And let me just show you how to create an agent. So you can just create on this, click on this, and you can just name anything like agent, any agent you want. Let's say mental supporter. You just have to like click on create agent, and it will show you a toast message that it has been created. You can either try now or you can click in OK, and there will be a redirected back. So um, this is the home screen which I already showed you. Now the created agent will go here in the explore section. You can click on explore, and you can create from here also, and you can see all these agents are created by me. And this is the one which I just created now. And as you can see, it has given me the exact answer. You can get multiple against, like I've created Factify. Like if you have any false news, or your friends are spreading false news or any article, you can just come here and copy the article, and you can just click, and it will verify it and give you in a professional manner. It all depends on your prompt actually. And this is the history tab. Let me just show you. As you can see, this is the history tab which I created before and chatted with it. As you can see, this was a false news, and as you can see, it has verified it. Very likely a fake news. Let me just show you a profile tab. This is the profile tab. You can log out, explore, or chat. Yeah, that's all for now. If you want to contribute, I will just put the GitHub link. You can just clone it and contribute it, or you can make your own project. Thank you. You can also log out, and it will show you pop-up if you want to log out, and if you want to log out, it will just log out, and this is the welcome screen, and you can log in again. So yeah, thank you.